Are your notifications for Instagram not showing? So maybe they're turned off. Maybe you turned on a setting that is blocking those notifications from coming through. So we could take a look at two things to hopefully help you out and fix them. So the first thing we can do is go to your Instagram and you want to go to your settings that's on your profile. So go to the three bars at the top right corner and you want to scroll down until you see notifications. So it should be on the top section here. So go to your notifications. And as you see, mine have been paused. So make sure that this is toggled off. That way you can get all of your notifications. But maybe things in your settings are not correctly turned on. So for example, I want to go to messages. And I want to make sure that my message requests are on, that I'm getting notified that I'm getting messages. You want to make sure that these are turned on. We can go through and go to your post, stories, and comments. Make sure these are turned on as well. So you just want to go through and specifically make sure that you're getting the notifications and that they're turned on. Another thing we can do is, because of iPhone, we can come out of here, go to your settings, and then you want to scroll down to the apps area, and you want to go ahead and type in Instagram. And from here, you have your own notification setting here, and this is more towards your phone itself. So as you see, my notifications are off. So go ahead and allow notifications. So this is going to allow the notifications, and especially the notification settings that you have in your Instagram, to come through to your iPhone. So as long as these are turned on, all your sounds and all these things are turned on, you should have no problem getting your notifications fixed, and they should be working normally. If anything, go ahead and log out and re-log into the app. That may help as well. But with those steps, you should be fine and good to go.